going on a hike. We're going. Are you throwing that out the window?
I'm gonna hit these bikers.
Jimmy. Jimmy. So evil, huh? Hi everyone, are you guys okay? Tired? Oh, Olivia's back there somewhere. Oh, there's her arm, good enough. I'll help you because I'm really generous. I need to hold the camera, so.
What the hell?
Sorry. Ha! I can't tell if everybody's in the shot. Oh, they are! We all are. We're coming here. We're gonna hike up this. And we can see hummingbirds. Parfait.
Kirby would probably jump off the cliff.
Oh. No guns.
No littering.
No skateboarding. Ooh, look at that.
There's a map of the trail.
Map of
there. Awesome.
Oh, there's a thing. Look, see it, see it?
What are we looking at?
Lizard thing.
What?
See it? It's over there. That's its tail. It's like a thin thing.
I don't see what you're seeing.
If I throw a rock, it'll move.
Well,
Anyway, the shiny leaves of this shrub, okay, so they're shiny, grows in groups of 3 on
That's us
smooth
3.
stems. They are green
Me,
until
Olivia,
fall,
O'Donnell.
when they turn various shades of red and
Snakes.
orange. Okay, they're gonna be red and orange then.
Asian. Jimmy, your butt goes up there, not your feet.
Oh, it does?
Yes?
Are you conducting music?
Yes, with my one long stick.
Stop poking the bushes. Let's go. Yeah, miedo. Point it at it.
Look at it.
Oh. Why is it in the middle of nowhere?
Because it's historic.
Oh. Look how pretty it is today.
Best
Not
spot
you.
in the lot.
We should go to the beach.
I could have brought
This
the
way?
cowboy hat for you.
This way. We're gonna choose road less traveled. This way.
Let me show you with my stick. You're gonna go this way instead of
Which
that way.
way?
This way instead of that way.
Maybe I just realized a lot of your butt is in our vlogs.
Ew, that will hurt Yingzi.
Where are we going? We're not going up? I keep saying it. Ding 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 ding.
At your own risk.
We are staring at a lizard.
What's
He
Oh,
is
it's
now
digging.
aware of us.
He's digging.
Goodbye, lizard.
He looks like stop motion.
Yeah, he does. It's like that Disney ride. Not ride. Attraction.
Wow, its tail is really long.
It is.
Eee.
Yeah, it's so like.
Are you in your habitat?
Are you a commentator? That's how they ask. Are
They
you?
ask the animals things?
Yeah. Are you in your habitat? Let's go.
Oh, you're proceeding at your own peril as well.
It's so nice here. And I've taken off my sunglasses to not get a sunglass tan. I've had that before. It's not that pretty. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, 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 walk.
Remember the tip I gave you?
Okay, show us.
When on trails like these, you must come to your own.
Okay, everybody do it.
Or use these versions.
I'm already
Walk next to Victoria's version.
Victorious.
Or they go like Jimmy's thing yesterday. And the day before he was like this.
Look how pretty.
Oh.
Is there a trail that takes us down?
I don't know.
You find the Jimmy.
That's how my friend is. Yeah.
Are you tired?
No, of course not.
Oh, it's a breeze. Hey, literally a breeze. Sorry, guys.
Oh, slow
I'll show you right now.
Why don't you slow down? Give me a reason to continue before you kill me. Kill me.
And an echo too. We came from there. Oh, that's a pretty shot actually. And now we're going back.
Jimmy.
Yay!
Hey, take a picture. It's a milestone. Do you
Are you
respond to
whistling?
whistles?
Jimmy, don't irritate it.
No, if you irritate it, it'll rattle more.
Yes, don't irritate it.
No, then we know who it is.
Jimmy's a smart
And then
one.
we ran away.
Yes. I didn't film. Whoop. I did not film this beautiful scenery. Check it out. So nice. Must have filmed this the same view again and again and again from further away, closer, closer. There's the freeway right there. We're parked somewhere. I don't know where. I don't know, maybe somewhere there. And I probably live somewhere there. It's a little foggy today. Little is an understatement, but we do live in LA, so this is what happens. Look how pretty. There's somebody coming. Look at Jimmy's pose. You're the worst blind person ever. Deep, 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 deep. Here.
Come in the shade.
I saw it digging. I don't see it though.
Oh,
So cute.
Aw, how cute. Jimmy, can we get one?
Aw,
I'm gonna name you Bob.
Hi, Bob.
Like ditto. Never mind, I'm gonna call you Beaver. Beaver, come back.
This is where Winnie the Pooh lives.
He does not.
After he's done selling gummy candy, he comes here and sleeps.
He does not.
Haribo!
Why do we always see his butt?
Yeah, you're right.
You are assuming the position too often.
Stop poking it. We've gone off the trail. The trail's right there. You can see all these people walking. Screw you, trail. We're gonna take the long, uncomfortable, challenging route. Why? Why, Jeannie? Why?
I don't know. I hate walking behind O'Donnell.
Look at her. We wore long pants because Jimmy said that's what true hikers do.
I learned it in the 4th grade.
Yeah. 4th grade teacher said. It was doing the T-Rex hands again.
No, I put my hand. A rattlesnake.
Hey, G.
I'm just showing you where to knock step.
Oh, thank you. How kind of you.
You're welcome. It's a king snake.
Where are you going, buddy? Where are you going? We are now in an exhibit area. Oh, native puppets. A hiking salad.
A hiking salad. After hiking.
Yours is huge. Yours looks good too.
Mine does. I can't even tell where the pasta is. Lindsay, Jimmy.